Hey, this is Russell here. Have you ever downloaded a plugin only to realize it only works with WordPress WonderBlocks, but you're using a builder like Divi? Frustrating, right? Well, this plugin over here, Create by Mediavine, is one of those. So I'm going to show you a walkaround on how to get the content from this plugin into your website. So let's start. First of all, we need to go to our website over here. As you can see, I've already created the post I want to insert this content into, and I've already created a recipe. There is the plugin that I installed, and if you have a look over here, I already created a recipe. So go back to posts, and I'm going to insert a new post. So I'm going to add a new post, and I'm just going to call the post, because we're going to be using this post over and over again, add code. It's never going to show on your website. And then we'll publish it, and we'll publish it twice, and then we use the default editor. Now, in order to use that plugin, of course, we need to add a block. And because I've used it before, mine's right at the top. So I just pull that in, and this is what it looks like. So I'll scroll down here, and I say choose from existing. As you can see, there's the recipe that I already created. I click on that. It opens it up here. I click Publish and Insert. And then there's three little dots over here. I click on that and go down to Edit as HTML. It brings this up over here, and now I need to click on that, and you'll see the HTML is hiding behind that screen. So now I copy this. Now I head over to my post where I want to insert it. So over here, this is the post where I want to insert. I create a new row, and I'm going to put in insert code. And then I insert that code that I just copied from the HTML over there. As you can see, it is now pulled in the recipe into that post. The whole thing is done. So that's how easy it is to do. So now all I do is I go back to the post over here, and in order to clear it, I don't save it. I just refresh the page, or I can just click out of it, and it is ready to use for the next time. Add code, I can just use it again and just use it with WonderBlocks. So I hope that helped. If you like this method, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I hope this saves you some time and frustration. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.